Bukka stew, alright? So first of all, I'm going to be using Saladmaster cooking equipment to do that. All you have to do is to preheat your pan. Make sure you preheat your pan, and to know that, just take a little water and sprinkle it in there. When you see that bubbles, it means it is ready to fry. All you need to do then is take up your chicken and go ahead and pour in your chicken. We have washed the chicken thoroughly, and now I'm going to just drop my chicken in there. Remember, it is Bukka stew without oil. And why are we cooking the chicken without oil? If you're a Saladmaster customer, you should already know that. But if you're not, you need to see our presentation, alright? So we want to show people how to fight against and prevent some lifestyle diseases using the food they eat on a regular basis. So we want you to make your stew without using a drop of oil to make the stew. Sorry, allow me to wash my hands again. I'm just going to wash my hands. Because I touched the chicken. Okay, good. We are good to go. Okay, good. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and remember the rule. If you want to fry the chicken, you will leave it half cracked. But if I want to cook it and get the sauce from the chicken, I will cover it properly. But for today, I'm only going to fry the chicken, cook and fry at the same time. If you notice carefully, you will see that chicken has its own natural oil. Within a short while, you see the oil coming out from the chicken, which we will use to fry the chicken as well. So I will crack it this way so that the chicken can cook and fry at the same time. Now, the next step on my Bukka stew is to take my onions and chop my onions and then blend the onions. As you can see, I have some onions here. I'm just going to quickly just cut it into two, okay, let's say four, just to make it easy for my blender to cut it. Yeah. So I'm just going to cut my onions that way and then blend it together with the tomatoes. So what we have here, we have shombo, we have tomatoes, we also have some ginger in here, so it's very easy, nice and easy. And what do I need to do? I will just take my tomatoes and then pour them in here gradually. Just pour in my tomatoes and my red bell pepper. No, this is shombo. You can also use that and share if you like. Why do we really use all of these? As you can see some ginger in here. You have some ginger as well and some pepper. So all of this, it makes it easy. Now I tell people, when you invest in Saladmaster makes cooking really easy, love and fun. Within the next 20 minutes, this stew will be ready. This is also your garlic, alright? So I'm going to add some garlic, some pepper, everything, put it in here. It is called Bukka stew. Why is it called Bukka stew? You will see the reason why. Now, why are we using so much red stuff to make this food? Remember, any food, any vegetable that has red stuff on it has lycopene. So it is good for your husband, it is good for your man. If any man is up to 40 years, we strongly encourage you to eat a lot of red food. Eat some tomatoes, some carrots, some red bell pepper. Remember, it helps to fight prostate cancer for men. It also helps to fight, it helps to also protect that part of the body. All right, so I'm just going to go and blend my tomatoes. Okay, so I'm going to just add my onions as well. So why we call it Bukka sauce is because you don't blend everything to be too smooth. Don't make it to be too smooth. So I'm going to just add this quantity of onions just to put it in here, but do not allow it to be too smooth. If it is too smooth, you are no longer making Bukka stew, you are just making your normal stew, alright? Okay. Just turn it a little bit. So. Let me just a little more to cut it. Make sure that the onions and every part of the tomatoes, but do not blend too smooth. That is different. Do not blend your onions or your sauce. Don't blend it to be too smooth. That is why it is called what? Bukka sauce. Okay, so our Bukka sauce, look at it where it is. Don't blend it to be too smooth. Just take a look at that. You see that? You don't blend it to be too smooth, just like that, okay? Just to ensure that it is not too smooth. That is why it is called what? Bukka stew. You see that? And why are you doing this? Because you have to retain all the fiber. Enjoy the fiber in the food. Because the more fiber you have, the more healthier your food is. Okay, that's onions is not properly blended. I'm just going to blend that remaining onion. As you can see, this one, it is not. So I'm just going to put that in. So allow the fiber in the food to remain. That is what makes it special. Today is Bukka sauce. Bukka sauce. Okay, let's check again. The onions should be ready now. So you see? Wow, beautiful. You see where it is? This is how your Bukka sauce should look like. Okay? Take a look at that. So this is your Bukka sauce, my friend. This is the Bukka sauce. This is full of nutrition. Alright? The best part of this stew is I'm not going to put any oil to it. Guys, let's take a look at our chicken to find out how the chicken is doing. By the way, wow. Look at that, frying chicken without a drop of oil. As you can see, the oil is out. I'm going to use this oil to cook the chicken. You see that? The oil, I'm going to use oil to cook the stew today. Wow. So what I need to do is just to turn the chicken upside down for it to fry. It is easy. Anybody can do this. You can do this and your food gets cooked as soon as possible. Now, if you were cooking with other pans, that's the reason why Saladmaster is the only cookware you can do this with. Alright? Some people will say, oh, what about the air fryer or whatever? They call it different names. Despite the dangers of some of those cookwares, we are talking about being able to fry and cook at the same time. Some of those ones may fry, but they cannot cook at the same time. That is why Saladmaster is still the number one. So we are frying the chicken and we are also cooking it at the same time. Take a look at that. It's going to give us that golden brown color that will fry. So I have turned one side to fry. I'm going to let it fry again and then we just pour our sauce. Our food is ready. So we're going to fry this for 12 minutes. You cook and fry for 12 minutes. There is no other cookware in the world that can give you that luxury. And that is why Saladmaster is number one in the whole world. If you have your Saladmaster and you still cook with oil, it is like having a Ferrari and you are driving 20 kilometers per hour. I'll take that again. If you have a Saladmaster and you still cook with oil, it is like having a Ferrari, a fast car, and you are still driving 20 kilometers per hour. Saladmaster is number one. It makes it easy, it makes it fast, but most importantly, it gives your food the vitamins and minerals required inside the food. So I know you're going to enjoy this. We are going to pour this out. When the other side of the chicken is done, we pour it and then our food will be ready. I'm going to leave this again. So for 12 minutes and then we are good to go. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. After 12 minutes, wow, I'll go ahead and turn my chicken and just to turn the other side to finish up frying, and then we go. Remember, we are frying the chicken without any drop of oil because it is Saladmaster. It can only happen in Saladmaster. Now the chicken is properly fried. If you want your chicken golden brown, you can let it fry a little bit more. If you want it golden brown, but because we are doing Bukka chicken today, Bukka sauce for your rice I'm just going to go ahead and pour my tomatoes and the rest of them. Wow, this is a lot of lycopene. This is a lot of lycopene. A lot of lycopene, guys. A lot of lycopene. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. A lot of lycopene. That is it. Like I told you, in 20 minutes you are done frying, making your stew. Look at that. You fry the chicken just for about 12 minutes. You turn it the other side. While that is going on, you also blend your sauce, and then you go ahead and obviously pour your stew in there. So here, what do I do next? I'm going to add just little sauce, just a little sauce. Remember, in Saladmaster, that's the reason why you must invest in Saladmaster. In Saladmaster, if you are supposed to use a full tablespoon for your cooking, in Saladmaster you use half. So for that reason, I'm going to just use a little, just little sauce really, because whatever you put in Saladmaster remains. Just a little, just like that. Just a little sauce, little salt, and I'm also going to add a little adobo. Remember, we don't use those ones that has monosodium glutamate. So I'm going to use a little adobo sauce. This represents all those other ingredients you need. Yeah. So this is just little adobo, and that is it. And then we are good to go. Our stew is ready. Our stew is ready. So I also have what I'm going to use to replace thyme, curry, and all that. I've already done this on our video done by Chef Uchechi. You can also see how this was prepared. So I'm not going to start again to explain that for you. It is quite a healthy. So just like, you know, celery, all those green leaves, spice, spinach. Just put them all together, and it gives your vegetable, gives your sauce a different look entirely. Oh my goodness, this is full of nutrition. Oh my goodness, this is full of nutrition. Yeah, you can choose not to put the green sauce that I have added to make your sauce remain red, but because of what we are trying to achieve here, that's the reason why I definitely have to add this. Yeah. Another thing you have not seen me add so far, not yet, is water. If it is too thick, I can add little water, but I prefer not to add my water. Yeah, just use my low heat and prepare the food. Just my low heat, and then my sauce is ready, guys. My sauce is ready. I'm going to just add an egg. After a while, I will add my egg, and then my sauce will be ready. It is called the jumbo sauce. Wow, this is the chair for the suit. And I know you will enjoy this. You will enjoy this. It is not me. I don't even know how to cook so much. Anyone can use Saladmaster because cooking in Saladmaster is super easy. If you notice, I have done nothing here. What have I just done? I have only poured in the chicken, nice and easy, blended the tomatoes, nice and easy, and then mix it up. That is all. No skill required. It is just technique that is missing. That is all. And I know you will enjoy Saladmaster. Eat for nutrition, enjoy the benefit of eating in Saladmaster. So the last thing I will add here today is just the eggs. I'm just going to add the eggs, and that will be it. Thank you. See you back. I'm going to let this boil for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then that will be it. Thank you. So yeah, our stew, this is just about 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and we are going to check. Are you ready to see that? Are you ready to see our Bukka stew? Bukka stew. Wow. Take a look at that. Wow. Saladmaster is just only the best. Take a look at that. Wow. I cannot add water to this sauce anymore. I thought I could add water, but there's no need. This is sauce without any drop of water. Wow. This is lovely. No oil, no water, no Maggi, no nothing, guys. This is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my cooked egg in here. So what do I need to do? I'll just go ahead and peel out my egg, and that is it. Wow, this is Bukka stew. Wow, my Bukka stew is ready. Just like that. Okay, so this is my Bukka stew, and then I will also add another egg, and I'm good to go. Take a look at that, guys. We are good to go. This is my Bukka stew. You can use it for your rice. You can use it for your swallow. Whatever thing you want to use it for. Whatever you really love. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. The chef on a jacket. Take a look. Take a look, guys. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. This is the healthiest stew you can eat. No oil, very little salt, just little adobo, cooked in about 20-25 minutes, and it is done. Chicken fried, cooked, everything ready. Guys, I'm going to serve my rice. If you want to, you can go ahead. I submit to you that you have to use brown rice. Eat more brown rice than white rice, and stay healthy. Till I see you next time, enjoy this food. Thank you.